Hello everybody, it's Mindy. Welcome to my channel if you're new here, or welcome back. I have some diamond painting items to show you today. I have a unique item here and I don't know what's in the boxes because I forget. So let's get to it and show it to you. But before I do that, let me just say, if you are new here, take a minute, please peek around on my channel and check out some of the other content I provide. I love to talk about my crochet objects and show yarn. I do a live on Friday afternoons working on a project. I also love to talk books. I do that with my friend Brandy, Mystery of Diamonds, on Tuesday evenings. So look around and see what else there is here that might be of interest to you. For now, let's talk about these diamond paintings that we have here. I do have it written on one of these boxes. Yes, this is from NewCraftDay. Let's just look at that one. NewCraftDay, thank you very much for sending these to me and continuing to work with me, letting me pick out some wonderful items to show all of you. I will link all of the items below so that you can find them if it's something you're interested in. So let's get into it. This is what their toolkit looks like. And they came with this little piece of foam in here, which most of these are coming with a piece of foam now, if they're acrylic, to prevent them from breaking, cracking, because, you know, I've had my fair share of broken or cracked pieces. So I appreciate that. So this one is a stand. Here's the stand for it. Peel off the film on both sides of that before you try to. You can tell what this is already, right? You can already tell what it is. It is a gnome. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. It's so cute. This is my last day as I'm recording this of Smashing the Specials. Is it the last day? No. Yeah, today is the last day. This is the 31st. I might try to throw this one together real quick. Oh, that is so cute. All the little bees and the flowers. He is adorable. He's adorable. Look at the size. It's a good size too. It's big. I love that one. Love it. Film on the back, peel that off also, makes this much clearer. Isn't it cute? Oh, so cute. Oh my goodness. Let's look at our drills. Bet there's gonna be a lot of yellow and brown. What do you want to bet? Trying to get a lot done today. All right, here we have black. And that looks like a very dark gray. Gold and gold. Are they different colors? Yep, they are. They're slightly different. Some blue and some green. Oh my goodness, those are pretty. Wow, those are so clear and pretty. These teardrops of gold. Gold round faceted and some blue marquise. Love those. That is gorgeous. I think I am going to put this on my table and work on this one tonight and hopefully finish it today. That's what I'm going to do with that guy. All right. Let's look at something a little different. Let's see what's in here. You know, I try to find unique items, and this is something that is new. I've recently seen it, and I'll show it to you. So it is a box. This is a hard plastic box. It opens like this, and it has sections. Now, I've gotten some little boxes before, but this one is different. I like the sections for it. Okay, now imagine if you're a diamond painter. You could put tips in here. You could put wax in there. You could put your drills in there if you wanted, a pen, whatever you want to put in there. This would be a handy little case to use, say if you're traveling and you're going somewhere, you want to pack up some supplies. This came with many different pictures, and they're getting more and more, probably as we speak. But look at that one, very pretty. Butterflies and flowers, super pretty. This just peels off, you know, and it's ready to go. I love this. I love this. Let's see what the drills look like. Yeah, handy little case. I like how firm it is, how sealed it is. Sealed. Secure. Secure is the word I'm looking for. So you could travel with it and you would have no trouble. All right, so here's our colors. I have a clear, a light orange, a pink, another goldish color, a green. Then our specials are these pretty pink teardrops. beautiful, beautiful pink marquise, some yellow pearls, and some pink snowflakes. Love it. Super cute. I see myself using this. Packing this up, maybe just leave it packed up for when I go places, because I do go places and I diamond paint, right? Just make that my little go-to bag. You know I had to do this, right? You know I had to. You heard all the talk, if you've been around, about my cat. I have a picture that looks very similar to that, right? Sunny in my Christmas tree. I had to get it, right? I had to get it. I saw this and I was like, there's my boy. There he is. Yep. Has 10 different colored drills. We got some big ones here, and inside these ornaments, we have special drills. There's some going up that way. Oh, it's like lights on the tree. That's what it is. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Sunny knows all about the lights on the tree. Probably chews on them, too. Oh, goodness. 30 by 30. I have so many 30 by 30s now. You know, it's becoming, in the special drill realm of diamond paintings, it's becoming like the most popular out there is the 30 by 30 size. There's just tons and tons of them. 30 by 40s are a little harder to find. Red, clear, gold, green, light green, brown. Okay, that's exactly what I would have expected. There's Sunny right there. There's some gold balls, very small ones, and some big ones. Some pretty red marquee, and some clear faceted marquee. Love it. Love, love, love that. Sunny, Sunny, Sunny. That's my boy. You know, you never know with him. He can be very sweet and just lay around on your lap, and then there's other times you're just like, child, what are you doing? All right, one more item in a box. Let's see what we have in this one. I'm really liking everything I got in this order. I like all of this. I mean, you know, I order things I like. I have not gone through like my special drill projects yet to see if there's any I'm going to sell, but I'm getting so many. I'm going to have to do that at some point. Oh, toolkit. That's what's left in there. There's our foam again. Here's our stand. Here's our drills. Okay, who can't tell what that is, right? Before I even flip it over. Oh boy, look at that. It's just some bunny ears. Super cute. Super cute. Oh, maybe I should do this one first. I don't really have any Easter pieces, I don't think. I have Valentine's. I have snowmen. I have a lot of other holiday diamond painting items, but I don't know if I have Easter. I should do this one first. Anyhow, I don't know. One of these is going to happen today. I don't know. I'll flip a coin. I don't know what I'll do. Put them back in the box and just grab a box. I don't know. I think I want to do that one because I don't have Easter represented. All right. Pretty red and a pink and a gold and some clear and green. And I love that color. Okay, love that color. Look at this pretty, I don't know if I've ever gotten these before, this like magenta in the faceted marquise, but those are gorgeous. Oh, look at those. Oh, this is, okay. I think I'm doing this one, folks. I think I'm going to do this one. I don't know. I think I've just talked myself right into it, you know? We've got Easter represented. Here's a round drill. Like a round one, random, round drill. Oh boy. Okay, so we got the Easter. We got my boy. We got the little travel case here. And then we have the gnome. I mean, all good stuff. Hard to make decisions sometimes, right? Hard to make decisions, but that's the whole. There you go. They'll be linked below, you guys. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe button, and all of those things. Share a video if you know somebody you know might be interested. Those things help a creator so much. I'm learning very, I've gotten a lot of new subscribers lately, and I think a lot of people are doing those things like hitting the like button, and it lets YouTube know. So I appreciate it very, very, very much. All right. Until next time, have a great day. I'm going to keep it rolling here. I'm getting a lot done today. I'll see y'all soon. Bye, you guys.